Do you want to know how to make $1,000 from Google search? Yes, today I am going to show you how to earn money searching Google. Yeah, we do Google search every day. No matter what we want to do anything, we want to cook a new recipe, we want to learn something new, or we want to challenge our friends. Every day we do Google search for it to overcome our difficulties and learn something new or solve any problem we face every day. So this is a really good things, but we do not earn money from Google search for that. We are just search it for free. So how you can make $1,000 from Google search, and this is the way you can start earning money. So I am going to show you how you can earn money from Google search in this video, but so you have to stay tuned. Before I show you the method, welcome to my channel Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So isn't it great to get paid from Google or for Google search? Yeah, this is really cool. So I'm going to show you the method today that going to give you money for Google search. So let's jump back into the action. We go first into google.com. So what we do, we start searching here. No, not today. We are searching here later because I'm going to show you the site that is going to give you money and you can use Google search for it. So how is that? How you can go and get going with Google searching and earn money online? So for the site that I'm going to show you today is called mindsumo.com. mindsumo.com. This is a really good site that takes people's ideas into business models. So this is a really cool site that if all around the world, all the companies around the world are asking for some new ideas, and MindSumo is providing using their huge user database and get new ideas from all the users around the world and submit that to those companies, the best ones, and submit those best ideas to those companies so that they can work with and make a better life for us. So isn't it a great way to help this world? So let's jump back into action. This MindSumo is not a small site. This is a big brand. They are working with big brands like Pepsi, Avon, Microsoft, Yahoo, IBM, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Nestle, Adidas, Amazon, Shell, Dell, Disney, you name it, all the big brands and big companies. You can see that all the big brands are working with MindSumo. So this is a really great way to start earning money. So how you can start earning money with that? They have some projects like this here. So all you have to do, participate into these projects, these problem solving projects that you have to solve, and you have to provide your ideas, and you can see that they are paying hundreds and thousands of dollars to participate and if you win this project. So yeah, this is a really good way, but I'm going to show you very easy process to participate into this project. So before that, all you have to do is you have to sign up into mindsumo.com. So all you have to do is go over here and click on login or sign up. Then when you click on sign up, it will show something like this. Is a very easy form that you can fill up, but let's listen to me carefully. You have to provide your name, email, location, email address, password. It's okay, you know it, you just fill it your information. But in the creative skills sections, these are optionals, but nowadays they require all of them to fill up so that they can provide you better projects and you have a better opportunity to get new projects and so on. You have to select average proficiency, that I suggest you select your creativity skills, your marketing skills, and your technical skills. All you have to select average proficiency or above average proficiency. So these are the two options that you have to fill up here like this. So you can choose either of them, but that's okay with this. So you have to then answer two boxes. Why are you interested in using MindSumo, and what type of projects are you most interested in solving? So you can write it in your own words. It's not a big deal. It's not a difficult task. Why you're interested in using MindSumo? You just write it honestly, and what type of projects you most interested in solving. So if you are in a field of technology, if you are in a field of medicine, if you're in a field of foods, if you're in a field of business, all those fields are listed here, and you can say that the field you are interested in working. So all you have to do, fill it there, and you just provide your a reference name and a reference email that you can submit for anyone you know that can prove you that you can solve your problems that you have listed, you have written here. So that's not a big deal. You just provide the persons you know, his name and email. It's okay with that. So when you move on to this phase, you just make sure you check their terms and conditions, privacy policy, and you certify that your participation to MindSumo. Then you verify you are not a robot and hit sign up. This is it. You are going to go to your MindSumo dashboard. That's after logging, it will show like this. So when you scroll down, you can see that they have some categories here, filtered challenges by skills. So they have business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and science, humanities and arts. You choose anything you are interested in, and you can good to go with this. So you can see that all these projects in various sections, it says complete, so it's locked out already. So currently open positions that are accepting ideas looks like something like this. So if you go over to like engineering, and you can see that lots of ideas generation or problem solving projects are listed here. You can see that, for example, if I choose this project right here, it will show something like this, but as it's a complete project, so it's already locked out, so you cannot participate it because it's expired. So for this video purpose, I'm showing you how you can work with this project. So when you go over to some projects like active, which is active, it will show something like this. This project is currently active. So these buttons, I have an idea, create a draft, these buttons will show up when a project is active, but when the project is over, it will not show that buttons here. But for this video purpose, I'm going to show you how to work with this so that you can answer these questions. So what is there asking? They're asking like, how can we capture carbon and make use of emissions? So it asks for new ideas from people around the world, how to solve this carbon problem. So this is a very important one. So all you have to do is just copy this text, copy these questions, and go over to Google and search for it like this. So when you search Google with the questions, and you can see various type of answer and articles published. You can, for latest articles, using tools, and you select a time period of last month's results, last week results, and you will going to get more latest news articles or answers to that questions you are searching. So for this video purpose, just for example, see that these questions looks very good. So if I go over to this article, it will show like this. they have written an article, a details article. The longer the article, the better it get accepted by MindSumo. So they have comes out with 6 way that you can solve this problem that they are asking. So you read the article, you just copy it. First, you just copy it, you copy the whole article and paste it into your Word document like this. When you paste it into your Word document, and you just read it and rewrite it. You cannot plagiarize, you cannot copy. Plagiarism is prohibited. You have to have your unique written articles. So all you have to do is just paste it into your Word document and read the whole article, write it into your words. It's very easy. It's just 3 to 5 pages, and you just read it and rewrite it in your own words. You can, for assistant, you can go over to spinbot.com. Spinbot.com, just paste the article here and rewrite, press go, and it will automatically, using a robot, it will rewrite the whole article. But definitely you have to read it and rewrite it and check it that it's humanly readable. It's not a robot. So the second tools that you can use is called Grammarly.com. You can go over to Grammarly.com and use their grammar check to proofread your written article so that it's grammatically correct and looks really cool. So all it requires is you write humanly readable unique article that is easy to read. It's going to get accepted by MindSumo for sure. So when you're ready with the article, you just go over to MindSumo and press I have an idea and create a draft. So all you have to do when you are saving this article, you just go over to your file, and when you click on save as, you just select PDF as a format. You just save it as PDF, and then you are good to go with this. So all you have to do then, just submit that PDF file by clicking the I have an idea button and submit that PDF to MindSumo, and they are going to analyze, and when the project over, then they're going to lock down this project and they will analyze all the submissions and they will ask or declare the winners. So you have to win it, but there's not a guarantee you will always get accepted by them. But what's the catch? You just spend your couple of minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and you just submit it. That's it. You do not need to do anything. You just submit, and look, they are paying hundreds and thousands of dollars as to the winners. And for this project like this, they have already 100 plus submissions, and top 50% will win this 800. So this is the amount that going to share to the top 50. So among those 100 submissions, if you are placed in the top 50 positions, this is very easy if you do what I have said. So there is a better chance you get accepted to that top 50, and you get a commissions, you get a percent of that winning amount. So this is really cool way to start earning money without doing any extra hard work. This is real easy. All you have to do is just be regular, be active, and then money will definitely follow you. So this is, guys, this is the method by which you can start earning money using Google search. Yeah, you can not only earn thousands of dollars, you can earn more than that, by which that way I have shown you right now. So you have to be active, and money will follow you. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.